You cannot buy spot oil, you can only buy futures of oil. So it always will predict the future of the situation of the world. And so when oil hits 65, 60, I would say that is the time to. Right. So what does oil have to do with anything? It's a great macroeconomic indicator of inflation. So inflation is when obviously uh, the demand is so huge, and everybody's buying oil, and you can see it stopping out in summer, and then right after summer, it's starting to drop. And so oil at $76, which is today, compared to 120, is a huge difference in terms of uh, inflation numbers that they show. And so if oil drops to below 60, then the inflation will, like CPI, will actually look really good, and PPI numbers too. It will look good, and it will give the Fed the reason not to raise the rates anymore, which will cause the stock market and all of the assets to go back up. I think oil will react sooner than anything. It's actually one of those fundamental things. It's the source of energy that drives the world, and we clearly see a peak of inflation between, I guess, March, April, May, and June, and then we see oil is actually front running all of the costs of money. So when the money is more expensive, the economy slows down. There's less demand on oil because there's less things to move around. And so oil is always there. You cannot buy spot oil, you can only buy futures of oil. So it always will predict the future of the situation of the world. And so when oil hits 65, 60, I would say that is the time to pretty much get into all of the riskier assets like crypto.